Morning, my dear children, and welcome back to the online class for today. Children, as you all know that we have finished with our science portion. Let me revise the portion for the second unit test. Okay, so we have altogether there are 5 chapters, and they are cell structure and microorganisms, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings, changes physical and chemical, elements, compounds and mixtures, and the last one is materials we use. That is 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th. So total 5 chapters we have. Out of these 5 chapters, chapter number 13, changes physical and chemical, and chapter number 15, materials we use. These 2 chapters, only objectives will be asked from these chapters. Okay children? And the entire portion I'll just send it to you in the assignment section. Okay, you will get the entire portion. Don't worry. So today children will begin with the science revision of lesson number 11, 13 and 15. So kindly be ready with a notebook and a pen. As I dictate the question, you need to write. Okay, I'll be quite slow so that you can write the questions clearly, and even here on the screen you can see the questions. And once you finish learning all the question answers, go through them, then you attempt the revision. But but you should not copy it. Okay, don't copy the answers directly and write. Okay children? So the first question is true or false? True or false? Write the question. The organelle called the chloroplast The spelling you can see on the screen. Called the chloroplast is present in animal cell, and then you put a dash for the answer. The organelle called the chloroplast is present in animal cell. Question number 2. Dash is the liquid part of the cells. Dash is the liquid part of the cells in which cell organelles are distributed. Question number 3. Name the following. I am the most important. Organelle of the cell. Which controls all the functions of cell. all the function of cell. Put a dash. The fourth question, find the odd man. Find the odd man. Virus, put a comma. Protozoa. Protozoa. Plants. Plants. Fungi. Fungi. So you have to find the odd man out here. Okay, virus, protozoa, plants and fungi. The fifth question is also the odd man. Find the odd man. Fifth one is also the odd man. The question is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. Cholera. See children, the spelling is on the screen. Copy down correctly. Please don't do any mistakes. And if you still don't know the spellings, you need to learn them. Okay, these are not the new words for you. You have already learned these words. But still there may be some who are not knowing the spellings. So children, you need to learn them thoroughly. Okay. Tuberculosis, cholera, diphtheria. Diphtheria. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. So from this also you have to find the odd man. Pneumonia. Question number 6. Give one word for. Give one word for. An optical instrument. An optical instrument. Used. Used. To see. Used to see. Highly magnified. Highly magnified. Images. Images of tiny objects. Of tiny objects. I repeat the question once more. An optical instrument used to see highly magnified images of tiny objects. Question number 7. What kind of change is? What kind of change is? Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Question number 8. Soap is a salt. Soap is a salt of fatty acid and dash. Just write a dash there. Fatty acid and leave space for the answer. Soap is a salt of fatty acid and dash. Question number 9. Name the following. Name the following. I am the powerhouse of the cell. I am the powerhouse of the cell. So you have to write who is the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 10. Correlate the following. Correlate the following. Now here you have to correlate. So what you will do here, prokaryotic cell, put a hyphen, put a semicolon, blue-green algae. So blue-green algae is an example of prokaryotic cell. Then again you put 2 times, you put semicolon and then you write eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell and then put a dash. Eukaryotic cell. EUKARYOTIC. Eukaryotic cell. So children, prokaryotic cell example is blue-green algae and eukaryotic cell example you have to write. Okay. 11th one. Dash is the fundamental, put a comma, dash is the fundamental, structural and functional unit of living organisms. The 12th one. Dash cement is used for. Dash cement is used for construction purposes. Question number 13. Name the change. Okay, you have learned many changes in the lesson, physical and chemical change. So here you have to name the change. Stretching of a spring. So what kind of change it is, that you have to write. Stretching of a spring. Stretching of a spring. The 14th one is, again, name the change. Here also you have to name the change. Germination of seed. Germination of seed. And the last question, question number 15. Give example of. Give example of chemical change. Chemical change. Okay children, so I hope you have finished writing the questions and you have left space for the answers. Children, without cheating, you are supposed to write the revision. Okay, when you write it without copying, you come to know how much you have studied. Okay? And children, in this vacation time, I'm sure you had used your time for studies. You have gone through all the notes. Okay? And so now this revision won't be very difficult for you. So I expect you to write the answers, and the answers I will send you through the assignment channel. Okay? Thank you and God bless you.